you having a hard time making money online? You might be doing a lot of money making methods out there, but for some reason, none of them are working out the way they're supposed to work out for you. Maybe it's too hard, or maybe it's because of where you're from, or maybe you just really don't know how and where to start. Now, we're going to teach you how you can make $100 to $300 a day because we know that's the dream of most people, especially beginners. Now, imagine having that amount of money in your hands. You can accomplish anything. You can support your family and your loved ones. You can go on a vacation and travel the world. You can buy a new house, a new car, the latest iPhone, and even the latest laptop. Literally, quit your 9-to-5 job. These are all the things that we want you to expect once you finish this entire video. What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the Money Shark channel. We post new and exciting money making videos every single day, so make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit that notification bell to be notified every time we have a new video up so you can be the first to know and try it out. The first website that we're going to be talking about is called redbubble.com. Now, don't worry, because this method is so much more simpler than you think it is. And you're actually going to be surprised at how easy today's method is going to be. Now, Redbubble is basically a website that allows you to sell different designs like the ones that you're seeing right now. Now, once you sell designs on this website, it's going to help you automatically print out your designs through clothing, stickers, phone cases, wall art, accessories, stationery, and so on and so forth. The great thing about today's method is, as we've mentioned earlier, you don't need any skills whatsoever. You won't even be creating any of your own designs, which means you'll literally be doing no work at all. Now, let's quickly take a look at some examples of stickers with designs right here. As you can see, people are selling their sticker designs here for $1. And if you look at the phone case designs, people are able to sell about $30 per phone case too, which is insane. There's just a ton of categories on Redbubble where you can sell different things and just keep earning money. So obviously, first of all, you want to sign up, and to do that, just click on this sign up button right here. Then, make sure that you select to sign up as an artist, since we are here to sell. Then, fill up all the details accordingly, and boom, you should find yourself in your Redbubble account. It's as easy as that. Now, once you're in your account, we want you to click on My Account right here. And then, look for the button that says Sell Your Art and click on that. Then, you're going to be brought right here to the dashboard of your Redbubble account. Now, there are some things that you can actually do as an absolute beginner. First thing that you can do is that you can create products. You upload your art and choose products. Second thing you can do is to set up shop. You can customize your shop so it's more memorable and engaging. And the third thing, you can get paid. Once you confirm your account and payment details, you're basically ready to open your shop and immediately start selling. You can choose to get paid through crypto, bank transfer, and even PayPal. So there's no problem with the payment methods because whatever works for you, Redbubble will accommodate to you. If you guys want to earn even more money online every single day, over $1,000 every day, then make sure you check our description box down below. We have a great surprise for you guys there that I know you guys will love, so make sure you check the description box down below. Also, I want you to comment down below what country you reside in and what is your favorite or preferred payment method so that my next video will be more relevant to our subscribers. Now let's keep going then. Now, focus on create products, which was the first thing we talked about. Then proceed to click on add designs, and then that's going to take you to this page where you can actually add your new work. From there, you can either choose to upload new work or copy an existing work. Now, since we're on a brand new account, we're obviously going to choose to upload a brand new work. So you basically just click this button right here to upload a design, and as you can see, it's uploading and it's there, and that's the design. Now this is just a design for our example. Now you might be wondering, how in the world are we going to create our own design? We don't have the skills or the creativity. We'll say less because we're now moving on to the part that's going to get those designs going for you, and you're not even going to lift a finger to do so. Now, we want you to go on snappa.com, and basically on this website, you can have graphic designs made for you in a Snappa. It's very simple and easy, and this website also has a lot of ready-made templates for you that you can choose from, and this website is also 100% free to use. You just need to click on Get Started for free. Now, once you're inside your account, you're going to finally be able to create different designs in a snappa of a finger. Literally. You can choose to make social media template posts on all, but then you'll realize that none of the ready-made templates here are made for what we need on Redbubble. And this is the part where you must pay super close attention to. Now right here under custom graphic size, we want you to input 2200 as the width and 2200 as the height as well. Then you're going to click on create. And then boom, that is going to take you to this dashboard where you can finally create your own design. You can change the background, you can add effects, some text, graphics, and even shapes. There's so many things on here that makes things 100 times simpler for you. So the first thing you can do is click on graphics, and then you can basically choose anything and adjust the icon to your liking. So that's what we have here now. Then you can add a text by clicking text, choose to add a heading, and then you can just type whatever you want. Like for example, we can do human's best friend or whatever you like. Anyway, once you've completed your design, you can just click on this button right here to download the design straight into the device that you're using. Then you can finally upload that on Redbubble. Before submitting though, you're just going to need to fill up some basic information about the design that you've created. So you're going to create a title, right? And then you're going to add some tags, and then you're going to add a description. And what you're seeing right now is just an example. If you scroll down, you're going to get a preview of your design on different products like clothing, stickers, phone cases, even pillows, mugs, literally anything and everything. And people will surely love this very much. Anyway, once you're satisfied with the preview, just scroll down below. Then you're going to have to choose the media, and you can only select up to 2. So choose design and illustration and digital art. Then scroll down some more, and then you'll see the default product in your shop option. Make sure that it's an optimized recommended. Make sure that it is in that option, and make sure that it's open to the public, or else it won't be seen. Now make sure that you select no on the is this mature content, and once that's all complete, agree to the terms and conditions, and boom, save your work by clicking on the button right there. They'll say congratulations, you're almost ready to sell. As soon as they save your work, then you just complete the payment details like so, and this is a very important step, or else you won't be able to purchase from you. And that's basically it for redbubble.com. If you're liking this video so far, then I suggest that you give me 2 thumbs up before the channel ends later on, so that I'll know you reached this part of the video. And subscribe if you still aren't subscribed to join the family. Now let's get back into the video. Now we're going to show you how you can maximize your income and how you can get a lot of people to buy your product. So you can make up to $1,000 bonus. Now, go on parlor.com, and basically this website works just like Facebook. But obviously not a lot of people know about this website. So there is no competition whatsoever. Before we finish up, if you're having fun with today's video, then make sure that you like this video and subscribe if you aren't subscribed yet. And of course, comment about all of the wonderful things that you're loving so far, or maybe leaving some suggestions down below. Anything and all will be appreciated. Now let's get back into the video. So you can go on here, target the animal lovers for your design, and expect a great number of people wanting to come and buy your designs on absolutely anything. So to join this website, just click on create new account, then click on I agree, then fill up all of the details being asked of you. And then once you've completed all of that, this is how your dashboard is going to look like. Very similar to Facebook, where you can basically create posts. Now you can actually look up dog, and there are so many trending dog hashtags on here, and that's what we're going to use to be able to lure in customers. So just create a post on Parler, insert your link with the hashtag dogs, do as much posts as you can with as much hashtags, and before you know it, your sale is going to skyrocket like you've never seen before. And that is everything for today's method. If there's nothing else, then thank you guys so much for watching today's video. We finally hit 60,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for all of your support. And our next goal is 70,000, so make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single video, because it would be a total bummer if you missed anything at all. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We can't wait to make more, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of the week.